Wait, you've never thrifted before, right?
No. Well, like maybe, but not like you.
Casually?
Super.
I'm taking my good friend Wendy thrifting around her area. Actually, this is Queen and Dufferin. Usually I thrift in like Mississauga when I go to actual like really big thrift stores, so this is kind of new for me too. Also, later today we're actually going to do a live stream where Wendy and I are going to be doing a DIY.
We're going to be making visors because I keep seeing all these like cool summery visors with different colors, and we're going to go where all the visors are at, the Chinatown area.
Yes, so join us later today on Wendy's channel at 5 p.m. and we're going to be starting our live stream then. And for now, enjoy our thrifting and subscribe to both of our channels. Yeah. So we're hitting up Common Sort. This is just a little past Queen and Dufferin. And Common Sort has a lot of locations. It is a common place to thrift.
I'm supposed to go look at dresses.
I have objectives too today.
Oh, okay. What are your goals?
Maybe sunglasses because I forgot to bring my sunglasses. And Wendy might be in need of sunglasses as well.
No, I need to find the ones I lost first.
That's true.
I have to not give up on my old friends. Oh, this is nasty, yeah. So interesting.
Bralettes. Oh, this is
Whoa.
disco.
And then there's like...
What kind of dresses are you looking for today?
I want a dress that has like, the top is okay, and then I can cut off the skirt and switch it into like sleeves and stuff.
Oh, you want a DIY transformation?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we were talking. We were talking about doing thrifted transformations, and if you guys want, oh yeah, checksam.
Well, this one's actually not bad. Oh, it's actually like legit.
Oh, qipao.
Yeah. The occasions to wear these are so hard for you.
But the slit is quite.
This is the weird thing about the Chinese.
This is a pants version, isn't it then?
Oh no, look at that.
Yeah, this is.
This is double leg slit.
Oh, that's
lime
cute.
green is in. This is all the way up here.
Is it a jumpsuit though? Oh, that's a problem.
Yes, it is. It's a romper. Sleeveless romper.
Yeah.
From Betsy Johnson.
Oh. Yeah, Wendy and I were talking about doing a thrifted transformation. So if you guys are interested, we could do that. We can transform thrifted pieces that we find. Maybe we'll find something today that could do with a little bit of a shape up. Oh, acne.
What?
$70.
Portrait dress era.
Yes.
Oh no. This was a moment in history. This one's the prettiest though.
It is because it's Club Monaco with tags on.
Too, I think.
It is? This one has.
Oh no, it's Tallulah. Oh yeah.
This is the Tallulah one. Yeah. Look, this one still has tags originally. $329 and $115, which is really good.
Oh yes, my friend found my sunglasses.
Yeah! Or more. Let's. Oh, this one is La Parfait.
But still, made in China.
Made in China. Ooh, this one is.
It has a fresh dry cleaner tag on it.
Oh, this one is modified slit. Too much slit, and they covered it.
Oh yeah, tricky slit.
Yeah, tricky. Wendy, yeah? I can see you transforming this.
Whoa. Yeah.
That has so much material.
It has a lot of fabric.
This reminds me of your Beyonce dress.
Yeah, I also feel like it's very Belle.
Yeah, it is very Belle.
I'll hold this up.
Yes, I did something right. She approved. Wow, this place is fun.
Yeah,
and the prices are very reasonable. This is getting out of hand. Oof. Sorry. Oh, this is really cute.
Oh yeah, it's kind of Tennessee.
Yeah.
But then long.
It's a little country clubby.
Yeah.
Tie a sweater over your shoulders and you're good to go. I got a couple of sunglasses. I don't know if I need to. Oh, it's a little smudgy. Ooh. Yeah, go lower. Ooh. Do you like these?
Edna.
No. Nuggets. And what about these ones? These ones not so much. These are the pieces that I chose. There's nothing that I really love, but I'm in love with this store. Can you tell me if this is...
That's just the way it is.
It is? What is it? Like...
Yeah, that's the way it is.
There's no closing?
I cannot find any evidence. Do you think...
I thought it was a wrap dress at first.
Backwards? No.
I like that. I love this. Yeah. I love the sleeves.
You can tell by the stitching on the shoulders and everything. This is just like if I made it on a sewing machine.
Expert input.
Oh, definitely. Someone sewed this.
This is like a design student's piece, right?
Yes.
Like this was a design student's last project.
This feels familiar. I've been this person.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh yeah.
See? This is the kind of stuff you can tell.
Yeah.
A person, and I don't mean a factory worker, made this. This is pretty.
A+ to the student who made this. Okay. I love the big shirt.
Which thing? Oh, the white one?
Yeah. So this is a size 14. And it's like a tunic top on me. But the sleeves are so cool. The skirt is so cute. Hello. Oh, hello. Hello. They have in-house brand. Common sort. Nope, I'm okay, thanks. How much are they? $10. She's getting Success! We're coming back for this, but now we're headed over to the fabric area, fabric section of Queen Street, and we're gonna shop for fabric. After the heat wave, and coming back to this, and it's supposed to be 30 something today, but this feels breezy to me. Good. Wendy and I are gonna start shopping for our live stream, so you guys can stay tuned for that. Head on over to her channel. 5 p.m. we're live streaming, and
Oh, you were doing 5. I thought you said 5.
so Wendy's gonna shop for the visors, and we're gonna get together and do our DIY later in the day. So we will see you guys soon. Bye. So join us